Introducing Kissflow's applicant tracking system, a dynamic solution designed to streamline your recruitment process. The app simplifies the hiring process for hiring managers, talent managers, recruiters, and employees, making it easier to navigate while catering to all roles involved. Hiring managers gain access to a detailed view of hiring requests, including jobs that are in progress, pending, or closed. This enables them to make informed decisions quickly, ensuring that the organization's talent needs are met promptly and effectively. Talent managers can navigate through a comprehensive dashboard, which offers an overview of job openings, upcoming interviews, offered jobs, and hiring requests. This centralized view enables them to manage the recruitment pipeline with ease. Recruiters can efficiently oversee the candidate pipeline with the app. They can monitor job statuses, access the talent pool, and swiftly arrange interviews. The platform ensures candidates transition seamlessly through each stage, keeping top talent engaged and well-informed. Employees can refer candidates and check interview and referral statuses through the app. This transparency promotes a collaborative hiring culture and encourages everyone to help build a strong workforce. Our applicant talent pool is a treasure trove of potential candidates. It allows hiring teams to tap into a pre-vetted pool of talent for future openings, reducing the time and cost per hire and ensuring that you're always connected to top-tier candidates. Discover how Kissflow's applicant tracking system can transform your recruitment process. Visit the App Store to learn more.